Our drone is a 6 multi-rotor drone, and we've attached a Delta robot. The Delta robot is 3 parallel arms, controls a printhead. We basically use it as a concept for potentially repairing roads in the future. At the moment we have to dig up roads and spend a long time being closed, everyone knows. So we're basically the idea, you close down a road for maybe a couple of hours, a drone flies in, they scan any potholes and they kind of get the orientation of the indent, and then once they've got the information they then use an extruder to pour repair materials like asphalt or tar or anything like that into the hole, so you get a nice smooth repaired surface. This actually disperses other chemicals into the road around it, which helps it rejuvenate its self-healing properties. It kind of helps roads last even longer than they already do. Well, the bigger picture is all about smart cities and trying to develop robots that can intertwine with the city and actually help out with current tasks.